Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another unboxing to share with you, and it's a bi-monthly subscription box in a special edition, a gift box, and this is the Natural Wellness box. That's what it looks like. If you're new to the Natural Wellness box, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you've seen it all before and you're just curious in seeing what's inside their May June box, then you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. The Natural Wellness box is a bi-monthly wellness subscription box that is both cruelty free and vegan and ships internationally. The cost of the box is £38, and that includes shipping within the UK, and outside the UK additional shipping is £9.95. If you'd rather opt for a one-off box to try before you're thinking of subscribing, you're able to do so for £42. They offer 6 months and 12-month subscriptions, and also gift boxes as well. Inside the box you'll find between 5 to 7 products ranging from skincare, hair care, makeup, healthy snacks, supplements, and all-round wellness products. Their aim is to make you beautiful and healthy from the inside out. This box is kindly gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. I'm really fortunate to be on their PR list, and I have quite a playlist running now. So if you're interested in taking a look back at previous boxes, then you will find my playlist down in my description, as well as a code that they have given me. It's not affiliated, but you're welcome to use it, which will entitle you to receive 10% off your first subscription, and that is Diary10. So you'll find that down in my description. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that'll bring up the description and everything related to this subscription. Too many subscriptions you'll find down there. So if I've missed anything out, please ask away. But let's get on to showing you what's inside their May June box. This is a little gift box. It's come in a gift box. So it says here, "Hi Claire, thank you for taking the time to do all your videos. I've sent you a box in our upgraded luxe gift box with ribbon, which can be chosen as an added extra for gifts. Have a lovely week. Enjoy." Got a little leaflet here, and it details everything about this month's theme and the products and the costs, so I'm able to refer to this as we go along. But let's have a look. I haven't opened it up yet. Look what's inside. Give you a quick sneak peek there, but a few of the items are packaged additionally, so we'll go through it one by one, showing you in detail. So welcome to your May Glow collection, brought to you by the Best Beauty Box 2020. Oh, I forgot, they won an award, Best Beauty Box 2021, as awarded by the Beauty Shortlist Awards. Look. And it says, "We were thrilled to win this award and can't wait to continue bringing you the best in wellness and beauty this year. This hand-picked collection of products will help to nourish and revive your skin from the inside out and give you a summer-ready glow. Create the perfect wellness ritual this evening with the relaxing oil to milk cleanse, a luxurious body massage with Lola's Apothecary body and massage oil, and sweep away dead skin cells with Skin and Tonic's exfoliating water. Start your mornings with a Let's Glow illuminating blend supplement and indulge in our yummy snack and drinks. As always, it's a pleasure to read all your feedback and see all your photos and stories of your collections. Don't forget to tag at Natural Wellness Box until your next collection, Catherine." Okay, first up in the box, we've got a Complete Me illuminating nutritional blend. Balances your hormones to aid a healthy looking complexion with chromium, psyllium, B6, zinc, vitamin A and green tea extract. Made in the UK, food supplements, and there's 30 capsules there. Looks like an old milk carton. Includes a 28-day wellness journal. That's what they look like there. Open them up and show you the size. I don't know about you, but I take supplements, and I don't mind supplements like this, because they're little capsules, so you can easily swallow those. When I take any mineral sort of supplements like magnesium and iron, etc., they're big, massive ones, you know, and they haven't got a coating like this. I don't like it, but I take them because I have to have them. You can see, a few to fill in. And on the back here, it's got the whole collection. So they've got supplements for immunity, supplements for glowing skin, which is what we've got, supplements for youthful skin, supplements for energy, supplements for gut health, and supplements for sleep as well. So the cost of this nutritional blend is £14.99. Suitable for both males and females. Healthy looking skin really does start from within. Your skin has a delicate balance of oils, and your body's hormonal fluctuations can play nasty tricks when you need it least. Let's Glow aims to regulate hormones and your skin tone. Contains vitamin B6 as well as zinc and vitamin A, which in tandem help with the maintenance of skin. Chromium regulates excess hormones, whilst psyllium husk takes care of essential gut functions, and green tea extract acts as a calming agent for inflammation. These supplements will help balance what's within to ensure your skin can look and feel its best. There's roughly about a month's supply there, 30 capsules inside. Next we've got a product by Skin and Tonic. This is Fresh Face Exfoliating Water, PHA, Hibiscus and Orange Blossom, and there's 100 mils here. Exfoliating water. I can't wait to smell it, but I can't wait to try it on my skin. A gentle, glow-giving and skin-smoothing exfoliating tonic, combining brightening hibiscus and PHA, the next generation of exfoliating acids to provide optimum skin renewal of minimal irritation, leaves your skin bright and beautiful. That's what the bottle looks like there. Let's have a smell. It's only subtle, it's subtle scent, but that's nice. That is nice. The recommended retail price for this exfoliating water is £18. It goes on to tell you what I just read off the packaging, but also blended in delicate neroli flower water. Love neroli. It will lift your spirits with each use, leaving you and your skin bright and beautiful. Got an exfoliating water there. Got something wrapped up here. Oh my gosh. Look, that is so pretty. This is Lola's Apothecary, I bet. I haven't had a look yet. Oh my god. Is it? Yeah, Lola's Apothecary Body and Massage Oil. I can't read it properly. Can you see there? Look. So before I open it, I'll just read what it says. The cost of this Lola's Apothecary Tranquil Isle Body and Massage is £40. Drift off in a grounding blend of Roman chamomile and lavender amidst calming vetiver and cedar wood earthiness that dance fleetingly through delicate lemon top notes. Relax in this graceful and calming aromatherapy bliss in its solitude of your bespoke wellness ritual. This fragrant blend is carried in an exquisite body and massage oil base fortified by natural active rosehip seed CO2 extract, camellia oil and argan cold press. Lola's Apothecary luxury natural beauty spa and wellness wonders are handmade by inspired artisans on their picturesque family estate in the midst of the beautiful English countryside. Massage into damp or dry skin all over your gorgeous self, from your décolletage to your cuticles. Makes a beautiful fragrant hair oil too. And then it goes into telling you all about the ingredients. There, okay. Ooh, there, just put a tiny bit. Yeah, it feels so nice. Oh, you smell the lavender straight away. Obviously there's lavender floating around in there. Oh, that's so nice. Yeah, I need to get my husband back on board with massaging. Don't do it anymore. But it's so nice though, we used to, even if it was just our feet. But no, we just haven't done it for a long while. But it's nice, isn't it? It's nice. You can't massage yourself, so you need someone else to do it. And yeah, that is my favourite product in the box so far. Got something else that is wrapped up. And we have got a product by Cree, and this is the Unveil Oil to Milk Cleanser. There's 50 mils here. This oil to milk cleanser has a recommended retail price of £24, or no, sorry, it's £24 for 100 ml. So we have got here is 50 ml here. Half of 24 is £12, so it's worth £12. This cleanser gently but effectively lifts makeup, sunscreen and daily impurities. When activated with water, this unscented two-phase cleanser transforms into a light milky emulsion and easily rinses off without stripping natural moisture. Leaves skin clean, fresh and moisturised and nourished with no dryness, irritation or greasy residue. Free from essential oils smells and fragrance, suitable for use around eyes, winner of the 2021 Beauty Shortlist Awards for Best All-in-One Cleanser and Best Oil to Milk Cleanser categories. This is a cleanser that people who haven't tried are likely to fall in love with. A great formula, Beauty Shortlist. I'll quote there. It's got a cleanser from Cree. I think that's how you say it. Is it Cree or Cry? If you know, say down below. I think it's Cree. Next, we've got a sachet of protein. This is by Boxed BOXD protein, vegan, pea and white hemp, double chocolate brownie flavour. Now, I am on a mission to increase my protein. That is one thing I lack in my diet. I do love chocolate brownies. This is a little sample, and for 14 of these sachets it'll cost you £21.97. Take the pressure off with an easy and convenient wellness boosting shake, giving you a chance to focus on you whilst keeping your time at the forefront. A perfect blend of pea protein and the super seed white hemp come together to deliver 21 grams of protein per serving. Powder is also free from any GMOs, does not contain any added sugars or artificial sweeteners. They use a plant-based sweetener and are only obtained from the purest sources. Yeah, I am really looking forward to trying that. And then lastly, we've got a sweet treat in the form of cookies or something, shortbread. This is by Nibble Simply or Simply Nibble. Oh, fantastically fudgy lemon shortbread. Luxury low carb biscuit bites, keto friendly and vegan. Oh, they smell gorgeous. Oh, I love lemons. Okay. It's not like a traditional shortbread, which is quite crumbly and like a biscuit then. It's soft, but it tastes really nice. To buy this bag of Simply Nibble Luxury Low Carb Biscuit Bites, it will cost you £2.50. You will receive either doubly delicious choc chip, fantastically fudgy lemon, or cheeky choc chip cookie dough. I got the lemon. Tastes like the real deal, but with 70% less sugar, 55% fewer carbs, and 160% more protein than their cookie counterparts. Some shortbread biscuits there. So those are all the products inside this May and June Natural Wellness box. I'll just gather them all up and I'll add them all up and then I'll be back. So we've got a Let's Glow Illuminating Nutritional Blend, a 30-day supplement. We've got a Skin and Tonic Exfoliating Water. We've got an award-winning oil to milk cleanser by Cree or Cry. We've got a vegan chocolate brownie protein mix to make a smoothie. We've got a Lola's Apothecary body and massage oil. And lastly, we've got some Simply Nibble lemon short bakes. The cost of the box is £38 and it has a value of around £88. If you are after a box specifically for your wellness, well-being from top to toe, then I definitely recommend this subscription. It is lovely. It is a little bit different. I love the fact that they add in supplements. Me personally, I can't always have them because I take medication, so I always have to go and have a look to see if they're suitable for me or not, but I love the fact that they're in there. I love trying new snacks and the oils and the cleansers, etc. I do think it's a really, really lovely box. But as always, I'd love to know your box. As always, not your box, your thoughts. You can let me know about your box if you have a box. But no, I'd love to hear your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Do you subscribe to the Natural Wellness box? Have you received your box yet? What do you think of the products? Or are you watching this for the first time wondering if this is for you or not? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.